ਲੰਘੇ ਐਤਵਾਰ हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी च रोहित वेमुला नाम के दलित विद्यार्थी वालों आत्म हत्या किए जाने तो बाद भाजपा पार्टी विरोधियों के निशाने ते आ गई है। केंद्रीय मंत्री बंडारू दत्तात्रेय अते यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर नूं सिद्धा सियासी दिग्गजां ने निशाने ते लिया है। 26 साल के रोहित की मौत तो बाद यूनिवर्सिटी च गुस्से की लहर अते प्रदर्शन जारी है। राहुल गांधी ने हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी च विद्यार्थियों विचकार इस घटना लई केंद्रीय मंत्री बंडारू दत्तात्रेय अते वीसी नूं सिद्धे तौर ते जिम्मेवार ठहराया। राहुल ने इस मामले की जांच करन अते दोषियों ते सख्त कार्रवाई की मांग की है।
The Vice Chancellor and the Minister in Delhi have not acted fairly. This youngster who came here to improve this country, who came here to learn, who came here to express himself, was put in so much pain that he had no other option but to kill himself. There are certain people who are responsible for this boy's death. The Vice Chancellor is among them, the Minister is among them, and the people that have applied pressure on this boy for expressing his ideas, his thoughts are among them. Whoever is responsible for this outcome has to be punished in the strictest manner possible.
ऑल इंडिया मजलिस-ए-इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के प्रधान असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने दलितों खिलाफ इस रवैये ते सख्त कार्रवाई करने की मांग की है।
The death of Rohit clearly shows cold-hearted attitude of the concerned minister and the government of the day. But for the letter written by the minister, death of Rohit would not have taken place. It clearly shows that our university campuses are no more places of politics of dissent, because it is the youth who will shape the future of this country. So the present ruling dispensation wants all the youth studying in universities should succumb to their ideology, and no other independent thinking should take place in universities. I condemn this attitude, and I hope that a strong action will be taken against the Vice Chancellor, and I leave it to the conscience, if any, of the minister, that he should realize that because of his letter, a youth was forced to take his life, and the Vice Chancellor should be removed immediately, because Rohit, in his earlier letter written to the Vice Chancellor, clearly stated that please give us poison, please give us a long rope, because you are not allowing Dalits or the oppressed class to voice our dissent. This is a case which should shake the whole nation, and people should realize what is happening in our Central University campus.